In this short video, I'll show you how to create a trading tracker in Excel so you can manage affiliate partnerships in volatile niches. For this one, we will need to use an AI assistant tool for help. As for me, I'll use ChatGPT. So go ahead and open your ChatGPT as well. We'll input a good prompt, something like generate an Excel file trading tracker spreadsheet for a managing affiliate partnerships in volatile niches for me to use. There we go. It should also have embedded formulas to already calculate results. Thank you. Just press enter, and it should allow you work on the prompt that you've given it. So give it a bit of time to generate the file. It's good as well that it shows you what the content is inside your Excel file once it finishes analyzing. There we go. It's done. You can go ahead and just press download and open it right here. And it should give you a good template for you to work on. There we go. You can go ahead and adjust accordingly the headers so it doesn't look smashed up. Go. So yeah, now you know how to create a trading tracker in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.